Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Place you know, and everyone there is your family. My first home was full of cats.
You say we watch the show, man.
And I'm a dog.
I watch the show.
You're not watching the show, you're there on your phone.
Me I watch the show.
You're there on your phone now, you watch the show.
Me I watch the show. Me see me head up on the TV.
Can you man, give me your phone?
So you can dip on your phone and me can dip on my phone.
You say when you watch the show, me watch the phone. Not talk about
no,
me on my phone.
Me I use my
no,
phone.
No, listen when you talk about me on the phone, when you watch the show, man.
You can use your phone, but me can use. Leg off for me. Leg off for me.
Yo, say clear yourself,
leg off for me. Leg off for me.
Sorry, man, you want me to lick you up in your face and I think. Straight up here, what you say, man. I bet you can't tell me how the show is going so far.
You always treat me bad.
That's nice, man. You talk too much, man.
You know, some ex treat me better than how you treat me, though.
Wait. Are your ex are going to talk about again?
But that's true.
Me boss! You never talk about your ex. Me don't want to hear nothing about your ex. If you love your ex, you must make you go back to your ex. I don't know, see, you force me, you know. You force me, you know. Razor! Yo, just not see your face when I come back in here.
You pull.
Teacher! I can't lock up some break.
Man, you know, say things that brother, you see rain and fall. Where are you doing?
Rain bro, God.
You know, man.
I come in slippers.
Put on your crocs as well, man. We don't disrespect your crocs, dog.
Oh,
forget about the next slippers that's still, you know.
Yeah. I am peace out, dog. Where are you, brother?
I'm a woman there, man. We don't very confident, man.
What's something there?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yo, and a Sherry me attacking. Cassy did it. Yeah, not Sherry.
I don't need Sherry again.
You don't know the girl I'm going to show you night, dog?
Yeah, I can't remember. That big girl, you see all you. It's a whole like girl in face.
Just sit down, man. Yo, I'm here, man. You're big, man. You're not touch the party, dog. You're about the bingo party.
Right now, I'm hungry, you know.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Where you go?
Shut me, I go.
Go on and come. Do you think she going to do? Yeah? I'm there.
Hmm?
Do you think she going to do?
Oh, may I see it, man.
She a joker still in the dog. I want to show you and I tell you about when night a dog and she had the real deal. That me I tell you.
Brother, so when I grow up, I tell you, brother, I want to be like you when I grow up, brother. I want the umbre.
She cleanness.
She bang.
Yeah, but sometimes I just can't bother with her.
Daddy? No, brother.
But she good still. I'm not gonna lie about that. She good still.
She go on in. I mean, my belly come with you, brother.
The school no man dog, she no cook yet dog. So if she cook you could get some food. Them man know what food you want dog.
I'm telling you, brother, man, route here, brother.
So you could bring some of the food for me?
I never know see you want none. Alright.
I'm to you now.
Brother, may I come cut you now? Right now, you can't help me and my belly right now.
What's up with you?
Come link you later, you see me?
Yeah man, I left the food.
So, look at more that.
Yeah man.
You never know see you want none.
Look here, I'm talking to you. I see you look on my friend, you know.
Me never know look at your friend.
I see you look on my friend, you know. I see you look on my friend, you know. I see you look on, look, you know. Let me tell you something. Don't play with my thing. So I said, don't play with my thing. I see you look on him now, I tell you something. So my friend him come over here, this is what I want you to do. When him say evening, you hold on your head and walk. I don't want you to have no conversation with them. You hear me I say?
Alright.
You hear me I say?
Yeah.
Go over this.
So you know, make we go floss in paradise, bitch.
Huh?
Floss in paradise.
What then?
I'm party with Odin, you don't know Odin.
Oh, are you there? Yeah.
And today I give you.
We can't go there, man. We have different business to deal with today.
What kind of business?
Something I go do, man. We have a charge if we go link somebody around so I go fix something for them. Something like that. That's something.
Yes, still.
Yeah, no rest. Put on my phone, man.
So I code them on your phone?
Code?
Oh, what is?
Oh, you see, where do you have my credit run off on my phone, you see me, so? But just put in a code on it to make sure so my credit not run off still. I put in my password, so. See it there? Oh, shoot, my lock it back. See it there?
Let me take some picture.
Nothing wrong. Wait, me and you take your picture then?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just smile.
You know, gangster not smile now, we out here. See, you take your mouth up, that have to delete. See? Take your picture again, man. Yeah. See, you stuck your phone. You see, I see that means you just not to take no picture.
Look at this man. Can you just not want a picture with me in your phone? How would them have?
No, I just my apps them that I use, man. See it there? See it there? Yeah.
You wanna look good, man? You can post it on Instagram.
Wow, post on what?
Yeah, make a post it on Instagram.
Yo, delete that. Post on Instagram.
Be yourself now.
But post it on your Instagram then if you want Instagram to post.
So why we can't post a picture on Instagram?
No, watch now, man. I'm ready to update my page, man. Give me page a week break. You understand? Oh wait, your mother call. Stop it now. Yeah, man. Yes, Mr. Smith. Yeah, man. Should the right side of me? Yeah, man. We are gonna get married soon, man. We know you keep on that encouragement. We are gonna get married soon. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, your mother wants.
Mommy? Yeah. Same semester we soon get married. Yeah, so I'm going to invite all of my family them. I cater for 200 people. Alright then, later. Love you, mommy.
You better. Well, you know, I make a different call. Don't know about this.
So why I forget about your love?
No, I'm so come. That call is more private on my business partner, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you already how that go, man. I'll call you later. Yeah, man. You know that go, man. You know. Yeah. I just did busy from there. I'm bridging there. I'm going to hold it. You see me? I'm going to work on that thing.
You better do so long, man.
What?
So, Jason, who that?
Who what?
Who you kiss after?
No. I never did kiss after nobody. Why you
Me, I wonder why they can take so long.
Because you never business card, you can't give me space. You can't give me
you want
space.
space now?
No. You couldn't give me space when I go up on the call. Because it's a business card. May I do business? Oh, you get so fast. All of a sudden you want to listen to me call then.
Oh, me, I wonder why you're so long.
Shereen, tell us some so kind of.
Shireen, just give me this.
Yo, let that come.
What?
This one, hey, what the hell are you doing? You remember who I'm on the yard? You remember who I'm on the pants? Yo!
Oh, you can't talk to woman and me can't talk to no man.
You may say no, you can't do what a man do, that me I try to tell you. As a matter of fact, just give me some space. Bronson, man.
Alright, that's done. I give you space here.
No, thumping in that smart mouth there when I do it. You know what? I just come cut. Yeah, girl, I just make a cake trouble for them. Thump that girl in the face. Better make sure say all the food cook when I come back. That too.
that? Just not there, no?
Not there.
No.
So how you going? You still come back?
Yeah, I'm supposed to go on the road for come back. You want to come sit down until you come back?
Yeah, man, you can't let me in one thing I'm going with.
I just come in and sit down right there, so.
No problem. So you had to go in?
Yeah, I'm going to go there.
I'm going too quick, man. I want to sit down with me and wait till the dog come man and see this. I alone I got the fun of burning. I don't know.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Maybe. I'm your face looks so. Come sit down with me, man. I'm not bite you, you know. So Reza, I have a problem if I sit down out here in the home with me?
Yeah, something like that.
Really? I don't know Reza is that type of person.
Enough things you don't know about Reza.
I don't understand what that's supposed to mean.
You can't talk to your friend?
Talk to him about what? Come on there, something not add up, like why you act like this? Like, I don't understand. Talk to Reza about what? You can't talk to me now, yo. Listen. You have to listen in and get advice with anything you can get advice with them. What going?
I'm just afraid for talk.
Free for time, I don't understand. Free for time, I don't see why you need to free for time, yo. Why going?
Be careful, you know?
Something not add up. Well, be careful of what?
Reza abused me.
No man, them things ain't right, yo. If man abuse you and control and then.
Same stay.
I don't rate that. I have to talk to him.
No, you can't say nothing to him.
No, yo, I can't believe Reza did them thing there, yo. What different is this, yo? You can't give me a number in there, yo. You see me so I can call you, you know? Can't be available, you know? Be like a brother in your life and check up on you and give advice and encourage you and them thing there, you see me?
Alright, don't come make Reza say do your thing. Do your thing undercover.
No like that, man.
Yo.
Yeah?
You good?
Yeah.
You know, say I go back still.
Alright.
Just alright, so. Alright, look like you're alright still.
We're good, man.
Alright, come on.
Yeah,
Let me
later.
come in and sit.
Yeah, later.
Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
Hey, I'm coming and gone now, so maybe I can talk. Yeah, babes. In Ghana, so you can come here. Yeah, just pull the phone bill and come straight in. Alright. Later.
Oh, Chica, you know one of my style that we cut from party early, dog. But the party is lame. So I say, why not me just spend a night with my woman for once, dog? You know what I'm gonna spend a night with Cassy? Yeah, dog. And then I tell her, dog. You see me?
Yo, brief now.
Why don't I care about Reza again? I just see you more.
She ain't afraid him find out about me and you one of them night.
No?
Yeah.
You have me.
Oh, but they like the D very good.
Right, this, sir?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm glad me have been in my life and everything, you know?
I'm glad to.
Yeah, we done a sweat, yo, like, you're chilling to me now, yo.
They like the position.